मतलब वो जो फाइटिंग सीन्स थे, कुछ कुछ ऐसे जंप स्केयर्स थे, नॉट हॉरर मूवी वाले जंप स्केयर्स but action movie wale jump scares, so I loved it.
I think Yeliana and Bob are my favorite characters among them.
I actually liked it, you know. Being a DC fan, I liked the movie. I think Winter Soldier was really hot and his entry scene was amazing. I was hooting all over.
I think the start part was a little draggy, but all over it was nice.
Bob was my favorite part. जब उसने like वो
The sentry.
shadow बन गया था, the sentry.
Okay.
तो वो part best था.
Amazing, actually very unexpected. मतलब end तक तो ऐसे हो गया था कि क्या हो रहा है, मतलब क्या होने वाला है. So
What do you have to say about Thunderbolts?
Amazing. Very new, and they are not very heroic, which is very nice.
Okay.
They are behaving like us regular people,
Regular people.
and you have to think about the power within. So
Okay.
I don't want to give away a lot of things, but it's
Okay.
amazing.
Okay. Did you like anything that wasn't correct or you didn't like it? Was there anything?
No, absolutely bang. I was waiting for it, and it's absolutely bang on.
Okay. How many stars out of 5?
4.5.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Brilliant. I loved it. I usually don't go for action movies or Marvel movies, and I think recently I've developed this new love for action films or action series, so I thought I'll give it a try, and I actually loved it. मतलब वो जो फाइटिंग सीन्स थे, कुछ कुछ ऐसे जंप स्केयर्स थे, नॉट हॉरर मूवी वाले जंप स्केयर्स बट एक्शन मूवी वाले जंप स्केयर्स, सो आई लव्ड इट.
Okay. Was there anything that you didn't like?
I didn't like
Yes.
I didn't like Valentina.
You didn't like Valentina?
Yeah, I didn't like
Okay.
her.
Okay. Have you ever watched any other Marvel movie, or was this your first
This was
one?
actually my first time watching a Marvel movie. I usually don't, not that like there's any kind of reason for it, but I
Okay.
just don't watch such movies with action. So ये पहली बार था, and I actually loved it. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I think next time से every time I'm gonna watch a Marvel movie.
Okay. How many stars out of 5?
Out of 5, I think 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Of the movie, I think it's a good combination of comedy and action. I think Yeliana and Bob are my favorite characters among them.
Okay. Anything that you didn't like in the movie?
No, I liked everything. I think starting 10-20 minutes was really slow, but after that movie comes the ad like अच्छी piece पे चलती है, and I really love that.
How many stars out of 5?
I think 4 out of.
मेरे को ठीक ठाक लगी because I'm more into DC.
Oh,
ये
you're a
movie
DC
मैं-
fan.
Yeah,
Wow.
ये movie मैं इनकी वजह से देखने आई थी because he
Okay.
forced me. He's an
Okay.
Avenger fan,
Okay.
so yeah, I was forced today, but
Okay.
I really liked it.
So this
Because-
means that today you're going to have a DC versus Marvel discussion,
yeah,
right?
it's DC versus Marvel.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about
Okay.
it.
I'm a Marvel fan. I don't want you to lose it. Okay. Okay, buddy.
So I actually liked it, you know. Being a DC fan, I liked the movie. I really liked the villain because I'm a lone wolf, so I really I resonated with the
Okay.
villain. So yeah, I guess I'll rate it 4 out of 5 just because of the villain.
Okay. Did you? Was there anything that you didn't like in the movie?
I think the concept of, you know, these new Avengers, I didn't like it because I am used to the old Avengers, and it will like people don't like change, to be honest, and it will take some time to get used to this concept of new Avengers. So yeah, I think that's the part that I'm a little worried about. Baki rest of it was great.
Amazing, मस्त थी.
मस्त लगी.
हाँ जी.
आपने मार्वल की मूवीज पहले देखी हैं?
मार्वल्स की थी मुझे मैंने
अच्छा.
फ्लैश वाली
No cheating. No phone a friend. No phone a friend.
थोड़ा बहुत देखा होगा.
अच्छा, थोड़ा बहुत देखा है.
हाँ.
तो 5 में से कितने स्टार देंगे आप इसको?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
मस्त थी यार, मैंने नहीं देखी तब भी मुझे मजा आया.
Okay. What do you have to say about this movie? One good thing, one bad thing.
The good thing would be, you know, it's a new light on the villains. How the villains before, now they have become the new Avengers. They have become the new heroes. So I think that's a good light. Other than that, the bad thing would be people who are like hardcore fans of like the actual Marvel heroes. They might not like it as much.
Okay.
I was a big fan of Captain America, and here somebody else was playing it. I didn't like it at all.
Okay.
Other than that, I think Winter Soldier was really hot, and his
Okay.
entry scene was amazing. I was hooting all over.
Okay.
So yeah, that would be all.
So you can say that these are the Gen Zs of Avengers series.
I think you can maybe call them that, given that they are naming them as the new Avengers.
Okay.
So probably they are, and also since the whole thing about, it talks about inner emotions and like loneliness and everything. I think the present generation can relate to it, especially the Gen Z. So yeah,
How many stars would you like to give to Thunderbolts?
3.5 or 4.
3.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Which character is yours?
I am cosplaying as Yelena,
Yelena.
considering my
Okay.
favorite character
Considering
now.
your favorite. Okay. So what do you have to say about the movie?
I think it's great. It's a great start because we all have been missing something from Marvel. I think it's a great start. They are trying to build a new fandom. Maybe they will, maybe they will not. I will know. I'm not sure. But yeah, I like the movie.
Okay, was there anything that you didn't like या कुछ अच्छा ना लगा हो ऐसा कुछ?
I think the start part was a little draggy, but all over it was nice.
Okay. So how many stars are you going to give?
Out of 5, 4.
अच्छी थी मूवी. इट वाज ग्रेट.
What was so good about it?
बॉब वाज माय फेवरेट पार्ट. जब उसने लाइक वो
The Sentry.
शैडो बन गया था, द सेंट्रिया.
Okay.
तो वो पार्ट बेस्ट था.
अच्छा, कोई ऐसी बात जो फिल्म के अंदर आपको पसंद ना आई हो? ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. सब बेस्ट था. पहली मार्वल मूवी है या इससे पहले भी देखी है?
इन थिएटर पहली है.
अच्छा,
उतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था.
उतना इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. तो क्या ये मूवी आपका इंटरेस्ट जगा पाई आगे?
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली बहुत ज्यादा थ्रिलिंग थी और अच्छी थी.
अच्छा, how many stars out of 5, ma'am?
5.
Thank you.
अमेजिंग, एक्चुअली वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड. मतलब एंड तक तो ऐसे हो गया था कि क्या हो रहा है, मतलब क्या होने वाला है. सो
अच्छा.
या
Was there anything that you didn't like in the movie or you didn't like in the movie?
आई डिडंट लाइक.
Yeah.
नो, ऐसी कोई तो चीज थी नहीं, बल्कि जब बॉब का दिखाया था सीक्वेंस पूरा, so that was very unexpected, but कुछ बुरा नहीं था. I liked it very much.
How many stars for Thunderbolts, ma'am?
4.
4? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.